Do not bite me.
I had a stroke on my left-hand side. Not one, not two, not three, not four, but 7 motherfucking strokes. Try me. Go ahead, I'll sue the city. I want medical attention.
March 26th, 2022. The overseas highway in the Florida Keys, 2 people arguing on the side of the road. Officers pull up, both of them run into the woods. Now, when a couple is having an argument and police arrive, usually one of 2 things happens. Either they stay and ask for help, or one of them stays and one of them runs. Both of them running tells you something immediately, and what it tells you is that at least one of them already knows this encounter was not going to go well for them before it started. The warrants confirm it later, but the running confirms it first. This is proof on record.
Huh?
I think they're screaming over there. It's a guy wearing a green t-shirt.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Watch her. Watch her. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
I ain't do nothing.
Ma'am, get on the ground right now. Get on the ground.
Don't touch me.
You ain't doing nothing with No, you did that. You called.
Do not bite me. What is the matter with you?
I have a stroke.
I don't care. You don't bite.
Whatever.
Put your hand behind your back right now.
Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
I don't thank you. You did that.
I don't want to be with you, bro. I don't want to be with you. You abused me, bro. You hurt me, bro. I had to run from you. I had to run in the woods to get away from you, bro. The woods. The f***ing woods.
Call to the same.
To get away from me. Why you did this?
None of you.
It's over. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. That's it. That's the... This is the best thing that could ever happen to me. Dad. Come on.
Roll over. Roll over.
Abuse me, bro.
So you don't try to bite me.
I am trying to bite you.
You did.
No, I didn't. You both. I ain't trying to.
It's all on camera
bro,
anyway.
that's it. I don't care. Bro, just get me away from him, bro. That's it, bro. That's it. Can you take me in jail, please?
Yeah. Don't worry. We're getting there.
Come on, I'm straight, bro. I ain't.
All right.
I ain't been arrested. I ain't got no warrants. You can run my name, but she ran for me.
Okay, but what's happening?
She been wanted. She ran on me, and I came and chased her. And the man said she was wanted. She ran the woods.
She was wanted?
Yeah, she wanted. She got warrants.
Okay.
After $9,000 of debt, bro, I am happy, bro. That is it, bro. He punched me in the face in McDonald's. I want to file assault charges against him. Assault charges against him.
Ma'am, you're spitting at me. Hold on.
So I had to get in the woods.
Okay, ma'am, stop yelling right now. You just spit in my eye.
It's not my problem.
It is my problem. If you have something, I'm going to be extremely upset.
I don't have nothing, okay? The man over there in the motorcycle right there will tell you that I was running from him for 2 hours.
All right, can you stop yelling?
No, I will not stop yelling.
It's Courtney, right? So is there any reason why you try to bite me in my hand?
No. I barely touch you. Don't even start that.
What is that?
I barely touch you.
What is that?
I barely. Don't even start that, bro. Don't even start that. Please.
Listen,
if it wasn't for that man. No, you listen. I told him to call the cop.
All right, stop spitting.
No,
Stop spitting.
no.
All right, come on. We're going in the car. Come on.
I had a stroke on this side. Go ahead. I'll sue the county. I don't give a fuck, bro. Can you, I can't have this hand like this.
Come on, get in the car.
I can't. I had multiple strokes.
Sit inside the car. I have rescue on the way. Sit in the car.
I want to wait for them out here.
You're spitting at me right now.
I am not spitting at you.
You are spitting on me right now.
I had a stroke.
Sit in the car.
No.
Do you want to get tased?
Go ahead, tase me.
Sit in the car.
Prison.
You're still spitting in my face.
Try me, dogs.
Get inside the car.
No.
Get in the car.
No. No!
You're gonna get tased.
Go ahead, do it. Tase me! Try me! Tase me! Tase me, ho! Tase me!
Get in the car!
No! I had a stroke!
Okay, get in the fucking
Get in the car.
Let go of my hand, I had a stroke. Let go of my hand.
She spit all over me. She spit in my fucking eye, bit me in my fucking hand. Did you witness everything?
I was sitting over there at the dumpster eating peanuts on my motorcycle. She came by and she goes, "A man's chasing me. Don't tell him I'm going in the woods." And I'm like, "He sees you."
So you never saw him do anything?
I never saw him touch her.
Okay.
But she was running for her life.
I was chasing her.
I know, look,
Down
the
here.
information right now.
I did not touch
All right?
her. Nothing.
Okay, listen.
She ran the woods because the police was coming. I put my hands on her. I walked around here. She jumped out the wood because she knew that she was warning.
How you doing?
Not good. He was following me. He would not leave me alone. Okay? I tried to get away from him. Away from him. That's why I was in the woods trying to get away from him. He's following me.
You know him?
Yes, I do know him. I've been dating him for the last year and a half, but he would not stop. You douchebag. Says that I bit him. I didn't touch this motherfucker, you sack of shit. I promise you I didn't touch your ass. If I'm going to bite you, you would remember.
Are you fine right now?
No, I'm not.
You look fine to me.
I don't. That's nice. That's nice. Did you have a stroke?
Okay.
Did you have a stroke? No, I mean, you did it, right?
Why is he following you?
Because I left where he was.
And you guys broke up, or what's going on?
No, I just wanted to get away from him because he pissed me off. He didn't touch me. It's just that I got some bad news. He punched me in the face in McDonald's. I want to file assault charges against him. Assault charges.
All right, sir, step out the car.
You good?
She's just with me. No, you did yourself. You caused that. You caused that. When you called yourself to jail. You want to be that? You want to be in jail? She tried to call on me. I came this way. And she ran. Yeah. The man said she ran the wood. She came around and said, you going to jail today. You going to jail.
Well, regardless, her warrants are confirmed.
Yes.
She bit me in the hand and she spit in the face, so she's going to jail for that too.
Going,
yeah, that's why my eyes like this right now. I got bit in the hand, I got spit in the face, and yeah, I don't feel anything, but my main concern is getting spit right in the eye.
Ma'am, I'm gonna put you in that car. I want you to be nice.
What do you mean, be nice?
I don't want you biting. I don't want you spitting at anybody.
I didn't spit at anybody. No, I don't want to hear that. I never did that, so don't even start that. Okay?
We're gonna put you in the car.
I don't care what you say because I didn't do anything like that. So don't even ask me that. I didn't spit or bite on anybody. I don't give a f, bro. Like, forget it. I don't even care, bro. I don't even care. Go home, you mother. Fuck ass bitch. I want to go to the hospital. I had a stroke on this. I want to go to the hospital. I want medical attention. I want medical attention.
Get in the car.
Sit down.
Yeah, whatever. Carajo, they the pendejo. I ain't no rookie here.
Where's the stroke at?
I had a stroke on my left hand side. Not one, not two, not three, not four, but 7 motherfucking stroke. Try me, bitch. Guy in Azuda city. Bro, I got metal in my brain, bro.
We're trying to help you.
Don't touch me, dude. What is that gonna do? What is that gonna do? You know how much
We
foreplay
just
I had
don't
in my
want you
life?
to hurt yourself.
You. I don't want to hurt yourself with your rookie fucking badge and your rookie uniform. Listen to this pendejo. Pendejo. Carajo. Pendejo. Stupid.
Just have a seat.
No, you. With your fucking have a seat. Just take me to the fucking jail. Just take me to the jail, bro. Just take me to the jail. I know what I fucking did, bro. I ain't worried about it, bro. I know my fucking charge. Ooh, look at that. That's foreplay for me, puppy. You don't even know.
So
What is
the
this?
sign? Grab the howl.
Yeah, okay. Oh, what is that? A teaching class? Is it a teaching class?
No, it's not.
Yeah, it sounds like a teaching class.
Come on, get inside.
No, it's a teaching class. It's a teaching class. It's a teaching class. It's a learning lesson. Oh my God, you're still doing it wrong, so it doesn't matter because I can get out of it. Whatever you want to teach them, they're not gonna do. Pendejo! You fucking carajo! You fucking pendejo! You stupid!
Officers find them in the woods. Commands are given. She says, "Come and get me." They do. The first bite happens almost immediately. She says she barely touched him. The officer's hand and his body cam tell a different story. Here is what that bite means legally before anything else happens. Under Florida statute 784.07, battery on a law enforcement officer is a felony in the 3rd degree when a suspect makes intentional physical contact with an officer acting in their official capacity. Biting is contact. The statute does not require injury, it requires intent and contact. She provided both. That is a felony with a 5-year maximum exposure, and she committed it in the first 90 seconds of this encounter. She immediately pivots to claiming she was running from the boyfriend, not from police, that he abused her, that he punched her at McDonald's. She wants to press charges. Here is the legally complicated part that this video does not resolve neatly, and proof on record will not pretend it does. Her domestic violence claim cannot simply be dismissed because she has active warrants. Officers are still required to investigate it. A domestic violence report does not disappear because the person making it is also being arrested. The deputy asks the bystander if he ever saw the boyfriend touch her. The bystander says no. The boyfriend denies touching her. The account is inconsistent and unverified at the scene. The officers note her claim. They take his statement. They do what the situation allows while managing someone who is simultaneously spitting in their eye. Speaking of which, she spits directly in a deputy's eye. This is the moment the charge sheet goes from serious to very serious. The deputy says it immediately. That is my main concern. Getting spit in the eye, that concern is not performative. Spitting on a law enforcement officer is battery under the same Florida statute as the bite. 2 separate acts, 2 separate counts. And because bodily fluids carry disease, Florida law treats this with particular seriousness. Communicable disease testing can be mandated as part of the prosecution. The deputy knows this and says it plainly on camera. If you have something, I am going to be extremely upset. He is documenting his concern in real time because that documentation matters if any testing comes back positive. Then the warrants are confirmed. Active felony warrants from Monroe County. The boyfriend was right. She did not run from him into the woods. She ran from the police into the woods. And she used the argument with him as cover for the flight because she needed a story that did not end with admitting she knew officers were coming for her. The stroke claim runs through the entire back half of this clip. 7 strokes, she says. Metal in her brain. Left side damage. She wants medical attention. Officers are legally required to take medical claims seriously during an arrest. They cannot simply decide someone is lying and ignore it. The deputy tells her rescue is on the way. He is getting her evaluated. That is the correct legal and procedural response. What they cannot do is allow a medical claim to become an indefinite delay tactic that prevents a lawful arrest from being executed. They balance both obligations simultaneously. Then she dares them to tase her repeatedly, enthusiastically. She calls it foreplay. She says the taser is a teaching class. She says she can get out of it. She tells them to try her. Under the force continuum framework established by Graham versus Connor, the use of a taser requires that the force be objectively reasonable given the totality of the circumstances. She has already bitten one officer and spat in another's eye. She is actively resisting being placed in the vehicle. She is not complying with any commands. A taser deployment at this point would be legally defensible under the standard. The officers choose not to deploy it. They opt for continued physical control. That is a more restrained choice than the law requires given what she has already done. She seems genuinely disappointed. She eventually tells them to just take her to jail, says she knows her charges, says she is not worried about it. That shift is interesting because it means the performance has ended and the reality has landed. She is not confused about where this is going. She knows the warrants are confirmed. She knows the bite and the spitting are on camera. She knows the flight is on camera. She has decided to stop fighting the inevitable and start calculating what comes next. Felony battery on a law enforcement officer. Felony resisting with violence. Resisting without violence. Criminal mischief. Active Monroe County felony warrants. She said she was not a rookie. She was right about that.